Ensure your tires are always properly inflated to deliver the best overall balance of Hey everyone, this is Zach with 80/20 Automotive, here today with a video on the importance of tire pressure and properly inflated tires. Car manufacturers determine the optimal tire pressure for each specific vehicle to deliver the best overall balance of performance, handling, fuel economy, safety, and tire longevity. The recommended tire pressures for your vehicle can often be found in the door jamb, the owner's manual, and/or your onboard infotainment system. Most modern vehicles are equipped with tire pressure monitoring systems, or TPMS for short, and those systems will often trigger a warning if the tire pressure falls outside of the optimal recommended range for your vehicle. Outside of those TPMS systems, it's also a good idea to keep a simple tire pressure gauge on hand and manually check the tire pressure every so often, and that's especially true if you have an older vehicle or a vehicle that isn't equipped with one of these TPMS systems. You can buy these tire pressure gauges from essentially any store that has an automotive section, and they're often only about $5 to $15. So great simple tool to keep on hand. But why is it so important to ensure your vehicle has proper tire pressure? Reason number one is safety and performance. Again, manufacturers determine the optimal tire pressure based on a balance of fuel economy, performance, handling, and safety. So when those tire pressures fall outside of that optimal range, you can often start losing some performance, some handling. The vehicle might not turn the same, might not accelerate the same, and brake the same. So ultimately, you can start affecting performance and safety of your vehicle if you do not have properly inflated tires. Moving on to the second reason, we have fuel economy. Now this one's fairly straightforward. If your tires are underinflated, that will create a larger contact patch with the road, and ultimately that results in higher friction, which can decrease fuel economy. Overinflating tires can actually deliver better fuel economy because that will reduce the contact patch. However, definitely do not overinflate your tires just for better fuel economy, because again, that can affect other things like performance, safety, handling, etc. And it can also affect tire longevity, which takes us into our next topic and the third important reason for having proper tire pressure in your tires, and that is tire longevity. These optimal tire pressures are also designed to ensure that your tires are living the longest life possible. Under or overinflated tires can reduce tire longevity in a number of ways, including premature wear, uneven wear, potentially tire blowouts, or flat spots on the tires. So there are a number of downsides when it comes to tire longevity and having incorrect tire pressure, and keeping your tires within that optimal range will ensure that you get the longest life out of your tires. Tires are very expensive, so that is not a bad benefit and something that is very valuable in keeping those tires in check and properly filled up with air. Now, as a final quick point for this video, tires are the only part of your vehicle that are supposed to be in constant contact with the road, and that really just goes to show the importance of tires. They're really critical for everything from performance, acceleration, handling, braking, etc. And that all ties back into safety. So ensure your tires are always properly inflated to deliver the best overall balance of performance, fuel economy, and tire longevity. Anyway, guys, that wraps up our video for today. If you appreciated the content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in the future. Thanks, everyone.